Good morning, everyone. All year six. Hope you're all really good. Hope you had a good half-term break and did some fun things. Managed to relax a little bit. So that's really good. Obviously, we're now moving into the summer term. I'll be seeing some of you next week, which will be should be really fun. I'm looking forward to that. So our video for the maths this week, what will you be doing? Okay, so you're going to be looking at fractions to percentages. Okay, so making those links, understanding that, for instance, a half is equivalent to 50%, a quarter would be equivalent to 25%, being able to turn things into fractions into over 100, because we know that percent is out of 100. So your fallback is always to go to that position. So if something says what's 25 over 100 as a fraction, you know it's 25%. It's very, very, very simple. Okay, then you're going to be looking at those relationships between fractions, decimals, and percentages. What are the equivalents? So, for instance, knowing that 0.5 is the same as a half, which is the same as 50%. Okay, so it's those kind of relationships. Okay, so remember, make sure you're watching the videos. Okay, because I have heard that possibly people are kind of just fast tracking and not watching the videos. Watch the videos. Okay, not only do they have other exercises within them, they help consolidate your learning. Even if you know it, there is no harm in watching the video. Okay, there really isn't. You might pick up a different method to do it that might be better, easier, and quicker, right? So they're all important things to check on. So make sure you watch the video. It's really important. And then finally, as you go through your videos for each day, the last one is about percentages of amounts. Okay, so finding 50% of amount, finding 20%, finding 5%. How do we do that? Remember, when you find a percentage of amount, the fail-safe route is to find 1% and then multiply it by whatever percentage that you need to find. Finding 1% is a simple thing to do because it is basic place value understanding, okay? Because you divide whatever amount by 100, and you should all be able to do that using your place value very, very, very comfortably, okay? And then you just multiply it. So you can multiply it by 20, you can multiply it by 10, you can multiply it by 7, you can multiply it by 55 after you've found that 1%. Okay, now there are obviously quicker routes. For instance, if you know that you're finding 50% of something, I would hope that you wouldn't go and find 1% and then multiply by 50. I would assume that you would know that to find 50%, you can then relate to your fractions, know that it's a half, and just think, bang, I'm just going to divide by 2. Okay, so it's making those sort of connections. I've said it before, understanding fractions, decimals, and percentages is absolutely key skill that you need. And if you're confident doing that, you're golden, basically. Okay, and then as usual on Thursday, okay, I will upload something that will give you a bit of a challenge. Have a go at those, upload those onto your Purple Mash folder. Okay, so that's really it. Like I said, enjoy the week, enjoy the maths, watch the videos, and I'll see you again soon. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.